Think about the incredible diversity of life on Earth, from towering trees to tiny insects, from swimming fish to soaring birds. The sheer variety of life forms is astounding, each uniquely adapted to their environment. How do scientists make sense of it all? This is where biological classification comes in. It's a systematic way to organize and understand the vast array of living organisms. It's like a giant filing system for all living things. Imagine trying to find a book in a library without any order. It would be chaos. Similarly, classification helps us navigate the complexity of life. By organizing organisms based on shared characteristics, we can better understand their relationships and evolutionary history. This method allows scientists to trace the lineage of species and see how they have evolved over time. We'll start with the broadest category, the kingdom, and work our way down to the most specific, the species. Each level of classification provides more detailed information about the organism. In this journey, we'll uncover the fascinating place of humans within the grand tapestry of life. Humans, like all other species, have a unique spot in this intricate web. Get ready to explore the amazing diversity of life and discover our own place within it. From the smallest microorganisms to the largest mammals, every species has a role to play in the ecosystem. Understanding this interconnectedness helps us appreciate the delicate balance of nature and our responsibility to protect it. The first stop on our journey is the kingdom Animalia, a vast and diverse realm that encompasses all the animals we know and love. Think of all the animals you know: lions, elephants, butterflies, jellyfish. Each of these creatures plays a unique role in their ecosystems, contributing to the balance of nature. What do they all have in common? For one, they are all made up of many cells. These cells work together to form tissues and organs, allowing animals to perform complex functions. Animals are also eukaryotes, meaning their cells have a nucleus. This nucleus contains the genetic material that guides their development and behavior. Unlike plants, animals can't make their own food through photosynthesis. They rely on consuming other organisms to obtain the energy they need. They have to eat other living things to survive. This can include plants, other animals, or even microscopic organisms. Most importantly, animals can move. This ability to move is crucial for their survival. They need to find food, escape predators, and find mates. Movement allows them to explore their environment, seek out resources, and interact with other animals. Now let's zoom in on a specific and fascinating group within the vast animal kingdom, the phylum Chordata. This phylum is incredibly diverse and includes some of the most complex and well-known animals on our planet. Chordates, which include humans, share some key features during their early development stages. These features are crucial for their growth and differentiation into various forms. One of the defining characteristics of chordates is the presence of a notochord. This is a flexible rod-like structure that provides essential support to the developing body, acting as a primary skeletal element. Another key feature is the dorsal hollow nerve cord. This structure is pivotal as it eventually develops into the central nervous system, which includes the brain and spinal cord, allowing for complex movements and behaviors. Additionally, chordates possess pharyngeal slits at some stage of their development. These are openings in the throat area that can develop into gills in aquatic animals or other structures in terrestrial ones. The most familiar chordates to us are the vertebrates, which are animals that have a well-defined backbone or spinal column. This group is incredibly diverse and includes many species we encounter daily. Vertebrates encompass a wide range of animals, including fish that swim in our oceans and rivers, amphibians like frogs that thrive in both water and land, reptiles such as lizards basking on rocks, birds soaring through the skies, and mammals which include humans and other warm-blooded animals. However, it's important to note that not all chordates have backbones. There are simpler forms of chordates that do not develop a vertebral column. Some of these simpler chordates, like sea squirts and lancelets, retain a more primitive body structure throughout their lives. These fascinating creatures provide insight into the early evolutionary stages of chordates and help us understand the complexity and diversity of life within this phylum. Next, we arrive at the class Mammalia. Mammals are warm-blooded vertebrates. Mammals have hair or fur, which helps with insulation. They also give birth to live young and nurse them with milk produced by mammary glands. Mammals are incredibly diverse, inhabiting a wide range of habitats, from oceans to deserts to forests. Think of the differences between a whale, a camel, and a monkey. Yet they all share these fundamental mammalian characteristics.